Hello dear traders, today we are going to present you the current week market outlook. On Friday, the American shares started the new month in a downtrend by more than 2%. That has put the Dow Jones index to a negative zone from the year start, and S&P 500 was corrected. Such reaction was caused by the government report on weak U.S. labor market in May. A disappointing statistics after unpromising data from China and Europe has boosted fears about the world economy enhancement and made investors switch to bonds and gold. Dow Jones Industrial Average lost almost 275 points, having dipped to 12,118 points and fixing the worst session since November 9th of 2011. For a week, the index had given off 2.7% and 0.8% from the year beginning. Standard & Poor's 500 decreased by 32.29 points or 2.5% to 1,278 points, also facing the most severe session for more than 6 months. Nasdaq Composite Index lost almost 80 points, having shrunk by 2.8% and closed at 2,747 points. For a week, S&P 500 and Nasdaq have slumped by 3 and 3.2% appropriately. Nevertheless, from the year start, Nasdaq is in the black by 5.5% and Standard & Poor's by 1.6%. On Friday, it became known that the manufacturing PMI leveled down in May to 53.5 points from 54.8 in April. The U.S. construction expenditures were rising in April at moderate paces, having gained 0.3%. The stocks, which opened on the upside in the pre-market, got under bearish pressure. Thus, the shares of Sara Lee fell by 0.2% after the company had sounded its intention to pay a special dividend of $3 per share and conduct a reverse split with 1:5 ratio, but just as soon as the international tea and coffee work streams of the corporation are separated. The U.S. unemployment rising was low-paced in May. That has become one more clear evidence of that the rehab leaves much to be desired. On Friday, the American Department of Labor reported that the number of non-farm sector payrolls added just 69,000 in May, while a hike of 155,000 was forecasted. At the same time, the jobless rate has jumped to 8.2% and did not stay at 8.1% as expected. Among the energy sector companies, only British Petroleum managed to raise its paper quotes. Having improved by 30 cents, the final price touched the mark of $36.76 per stock. On Friday, the British company stated about its wish to sell its share in TNK BP, which amounts to 50%, after it had received a proposal from a big Russian corporation. The analysts evaluate this deal in the amount of $30 billion. It was Weekly Forex Market Review. See you next week and have a good trend.